Bohemian Rhapsody. Mama just killed a man, put a gun against his head, pulled my trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life had just begun, but now I've gone and thrown it all away. Mama, didn't mean to make you cry. If I'm not back again this time tomorrow, carry on, carry on. Doesn't really matter. Too late. My time is gone. Since you was down my spine, body's aching all the time. Goodbye, everybody. I've got to go. Gonna leave it all behind and face the truth. Mama, I don't wanna die. Sometimes wish I'd never been born at all. Oh, if this could only get picked up by the microphone. Oh, here it comes. I see a little silhouette of a man's got a moose. Will you do the fandango? Sudden bolt of lightning, very, very frightening. Galileo, 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 Figaro, and this he goes. Poor boy from his poor family, spared him his life from his one rocket deed. Will you let me go? His will. No! Let it go! Let it go! Not let you go. Let me go. Not let you go. Let me go. Oh, let me go. Oh, no, 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 no. Mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia, let me go. We are the folk where the devil falls free for me. For me. So you think you can stop me and spit in my eye? So you think you can love me and leave me to die? Oh, baby, can't do this to me, baby. Just gotta get out. Just gotta get right out of here. Oh, look at the tiny little doggy. Tiny little dog. To me. Us weirdos are listening to under our visors, thinking we're all safe. Yeah, we jamming. Maybe we're not jamming out loud like I was, but oh man, I was feeling it. I was feeling it good, real good.